Namaste parents, hi dear children, welcome back to cognitive class. In today's cognitive class, we shall work with the cognitive workbook. In the cognitive workbook, open page number 95 where we have few more activities left with the concept Asia. To color the countries on the Asia map based on the given outlines. In the left corner, Asia map has been given and few outline maps of the countries are given next to the Asia map. By looking at the outline map given, we have to recognize the country in the Asia map and color it. The given outline is of the country Mongolia. It is located here. We need to color it. Iran. Iran is located here in the Asia map. Sri Lanka. You can see Sri Lanka here. Philippines. Philippines is located here. It is an island. India, our country. Indonesia. Indonesia is located here. Dear parents, kindly help your children to color the given countries in the Asia map. As children are not carrying the coloring instruments to the school, help your child to color the countries in the Asian map. Then we have an activity to answer the questions. This country is located below Mongolia and its name starts with C. For that, we have to refer the Asia map. Below Mongolia, the country which name starts with C is China. This country is located below Saudi Arabia and its name starts with Y. Below Saudi Arabia, the country Yemen is there. This is the largest country in the world. Its name starts with R. The largest country in Asia is Russia. It is also the largest country in the world. This country is located in the southernmost tip of Asia. This is a group of islands and its name starts with Indonesia. The southernmost country in Asian map is Indonesia. It is an island. It is a group of islands. After completing it, let us move on to page number 97 where we have an activity to refer the map of Asia and answer the following questions. Write the names of 4 neighboring countries of China. China is located here. The 4 neighboring countries are Mongolia, Nepal, Bhutan and Myanmar. Write the same in the space provided. Write the names of 4 largest countries of Asia. The 4 largest countries in Asia are Russia, China, India and Kazakhstan. Write the names of 4 countries starting with letter S in Asia. They are Sri Lanka, Syria, Saudi Arabia and Singapore. Name 4 countries in the west of Asia. I have named 4 of them: Turkey, Georgia, Syria and Iraq. Name 2 countries in the southeast of Asia: Philippines and Taiwan. Dear parents, except the coloring activity in page number 95, all other activities has been taught to the children and completed in the class itself.